Hello and welcome to Grace Tutorial. Friends, today I'm gonna tell you about the importance of struggle in our lives. Once there was a biology teacher came to class to teach the students how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. He told the students that in the next couple of hours, the butterfly would come out of the cocoon, but nobody should help the butterfly to come out of it. The teacher said this and he left. As it was said by the teacher, it happened exactly. The students were waiting eagerly. Feeling pity on the butterfly, one of the students wanted to help the butterfly to come out of the cocoon. So he went against the advice of the teacher, so that he broke the cocoon so that the butterfly could come out easily. As a result, the butterfly did not have to do any more struggle. But after a short period of time, the butterfly died. When the teacher returned to class, he was told everything what had happened. Then the teacher said, "Students, this is the law of nature, that the struggle to come out of the cocoon helps the butterfly to strengthen its wings. But by helping the butterfly, the boy had deprived the development of its wings, so that the butterfly died." From here the story, we need to understand how much the struggle is very, very important in our life. Why don't we apply the same principles on our lives? Why don't we understand the same principles in our lives? Nothing worthwhile comes in life without any struggle. So struggle is one of the most important parts in our life. The struggle is the best path to guide into the process of attaining knowledge. So if you want to get achievement in your life, you need to do the struggle. So work hard, because that's the best key to success. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like, please don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.